Hey Motorized Bicycle family, Tony Taylor here from Bikeberry. Today is a beautiful day and we're gonna start riding the Switz Cruise, all right? So up till now, we've just done our initial engine startup video. Remember we did that a little while back, but mostly the series has been about, all the details and things that I've overcome in learning and what others have taught me in learning how to build a really high quality motorized bike, okay? But we're gonna get to the fun stuff now. We're gonna ride a lot more on breaking in the engine, okay? Because right now, it's only really ran a couple of different times and it doesn't run that great because it's all brand new. So what I'm going to do is go through the whole steps and everything of how to throttle correctly and all of that. So let's get riding. Let's roll. So I rode about a mile, and that's what I would do for each ride. Let the engine cool, then ride another mile, spread that out throughout the week, so you get a few miles a week. So one thing I noticed is my throttle had a lot of play in it. So I need to move that barrel on one of the other spots in there. So that'll tighten that up. My clutch was good. It had the right amount of play in it. It didn't really change. My chain stretched quite a bit, so I got to change and adjust that. And then because I had taken my rim apart and greased everything, I got a little bit of play right in back here. Oops. So I got a little bit of play in the back here. So it hopped and you could hear it skip, 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 right? So I have to adjust that. So that's our 1 mile ride. You can see how I adjusted the throttle. We got to go and fix a few things that got loose. We'll tighten them up, and what we'll do is I'll keep doing that pretty much every day. I'll ride a mile, do the same thing over and over and over again until it starts to run better and better. Remember, we're giving this bike away. It's coming up within a few weeks. Let's roll.